Nature's ingenuity shines through carnivorous plants that thrive in nutrient-poor soils. These unique flora have evolved sticky traps, pitcher-like snares and swift closures to capture animals. Gunmen abducted over 300 students and teachers from a Catholic school in Niger State. Nigeria's largest mass kidnapping. Escalating abductions target both Christians and Muslims. The Indian government has delayed a proposed bill to simplify lawmaking in Chandigarh, pushing it beyond this winter session. The Finance Ministry is considering merging 3 state-owned general insurance companies into a single entity due to improved financial health, aiming for better efficiency and scale. The French Navy has disputed Pakistani media claims about Operation Sindoor, stating that reports on Rafale jets being downed are fabricated and based on misinformation. Indian retailers are using Black Friday to clear inventory between Diwali and winter sales, offering discounts to lure shoppers. Outgoing CJ IBR Gavai defends Collegium's decision, saying Justice Nagaratna's dissent was not accepted by other judges. The French Navy has denied claims by Pakistan's Jio TV that it supported India in the May 2025 conflict, calling the report disinformation on social media. A Delhi student who died by suicide near Rajendra Place metro station accused his teachers of torture in a note, with his mother recalling his distressing last words. A woman believed to be the wife of a personal assistant to Maharashtra Minister Pankaja Munde has been found dead in Worli, with her family alleging harassment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with South African President Cyril Ramaphosa at the G20 summit in Johannesburg to discuss cooperation in trade, investment, and mining. India's top-listed real estate firms booked nearly 92,500 crore rupees in sales from April to September, with Prestige Estates leading at 18,143 rupees. Royal Enfield introduced new products at its Motorverse Festival in Goa, while KTM grabbed attention with multiple launches. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway saw its Alphabet investment surge by over $415 million in a week, raising questions about his investment strategy. Best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki declares a biggest crash in history has begun across the US, Europe, and Asia, advising investors to take shelter in gold and silver. The Finance Ministry has renewed its proposal for merging state-owned general insurance companies. Indigo will take Tata Motors' place in the 30-share Sensex index from December 22. As announced by a leading stock market and securities platform, the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection (IBPS) has conducted the IBPS RRBPO prelims exam, with lakhs of candidates vying for 13,316 vacancies. Scientists discover Obolonythus septimanicus, a dinosaur species hidden for 72 million years, surprising them with its long-lasting secrecy. China's SHENZHOU-20 spacecraft was abandoned in orbit due to debris damage, while its replacement crew on Shenzhou 21 faces risks with a non-operational space station. SpaceX successfully launched its 150th Falcon 9 mission of the year, marking a major milestone in its space exploration endeavors. Kunikka Sadanand has been evicted from Bigg Boss 19, and Amal Malik, Tanya Mittal are also expected to exit before the finale. Masti 4 earns 35% of Great Grand Masti's lifetime earnings in just 48 hours, maintaining a steady pace at the Indian box office despite strong competition. Shah Rukh Khan attended Global Peace Honours 2025 in Mumbai, paying tribute to terror attack victims and acknowledging India's security forces for their courage. Tollywood director Anil Ravipudi celebrates his birthday with over 15 years of success in delivering hit films. Prabhas's highly anticipated film, Spirit, begins shooting today, with Chiranjeevi attending a puja ceremony in Hyderabad. Ajay Devgan's film enjoys a significant boost at the Indian box office, surpassing Tiger Shroff's Baghi 4 despite new releases. Bollywood actors Anupam Kher and Sai Pallavi took a selfie together at the 56th International Film Festival of India in Goa, amidst other celebrity attendees. China rapidly closing military tech gap with US, but its nuclear-powered carrier plans remain uncertain. A massive emerald boulder has been discovered inside the presidential palace in Madagascar, deepening a mystery surrounding its origins. Numerous online articles claim Baba Vanga predicted Europe's destruction, devastation, or disappearance in 2025-2026 due to catastrophic events, conflict, and population collapse. Labour leader Keir Starmer exhibits a new paranoid style in British politics, marked by exaggeration and conspiratorial fantasy. Usha Vance, wife of US Second Lady J.D. Vance, responds to online gossip after being spotted without her wedding ring, clarifying the situation behind recent photos. Egypt has the most F-16s in Africa, with 218 jets forming the backbone of its tactical air capabilities and contributing to its military strength. India secured a 7-wicket victory over Nepal in the final of the inaugural Blind T20 Women's World Cup, held at P. Sara Oval in Qatar.